We're on location at the Raise Conference in Toronto, and I'm joined by Ryan Irvine, who's the president of Keystone Financial. Welcome, Ryan.
Nice to be with you.
Yeah, great to have you. And so can you just tell us a little bit about what Keystone Financial is?
Yeah, well, Keystone is an independent research firm. We do research for individual clients that we have across the country and into the U.S. So by independent, I mean we are not paid by the companies that we do research on. We are paid by our clients, so our only loyalty is to our clients. When we look at small caps, we look at only profitable companies. So good, solid businesses, great cash flow, generating revenues. They just happen to be small little gems that are undercovered in the market. And those are the ones we like to pick for our clients long term.
Can you shed light on your track record and what's been some of your experience in the past?
Well, over time, everybody has their winners and losers. We found that if we try to generate a portfolio for our clients. Now, they use a discount brokerage account, so we will advise them to buy 8 to 12 stocks that we recommend. It typically takes a year or a year and a half for you to build that portfolio through our research. Now, we have found if you have 2 stocks that do poorly, you're always going to have some companies that do poorly. But if we get 7 or 8 that do well over time, our returns have been tremendously strong long term. We can't promise that going forward, but we're going to employ the same methodology that we have to uncover companies like some of our biggest successes are basic businesses like, say, Boyd Group, BYD on the .UN on the TSX, which is a basic business. All they do is fix automobiles. Yeah. We love that. We bought the stock in 2008 at $2.30. Well, it's paid us $3 in dividends since then. So a stock that paid us, that we bought for $2.30 has paid us $3 in dividends. The shares trade, I believe, at $89 today. It's been a tremendous return for us over time and for our clients. This is a company that we've recommended about 50 times over the past 8 years to our clients. So we'll continue to recommend it long term.
That's great. Now, you mentioned Boyd. It's obviously a great success story. What are some other companies that you can recommend for people who couldn't be here today?
Well, today we talked about, to give clients an idea and investors an idea of the type of unique research that we look high and low to find the best companies, unique businesses all across North America. We just recommended a company called The Singing Machine. Now, we almost had a chuckle when we discovered this company. What do? They make karaoke machines, right? So whoever thought that could be a very profitable business, but they don't just sell 2 or 3 of them. Last year, they sold 1.4 million units of these machines. They sell them through Amazon. They sell them. Walmart's one of the biggest customers. Earnings were tremendous. We bought the stock around 37 to 41 cents. In that range is where our clients were accumulating. They just came out with earnings last week. Tremendous growth up to 5 cents per share in that quarter from 3 cents in the same period last year. The stock is now in the 58-cent range. Our fair value on the company, what we rank, when we look at a company, we do a fair value assessment. We think it's worth 72 cents in the near term. So that was a 75% lift from the 41 cents that we're at. Now, even trading at the 58-cent range right now, it has a good lift from here. We think they'll earn 6 cents per share this year. Give it a 12 times multiple, and you get to 72 cents. So we think that's where the company could be near term.
And so finally, Ryan, how can our viewers learn more about you?
Well, they can go to www.keystocks.com and find out all about our research then. They can also we do a podcast every week, 25 minutes. Myself and another analyst from Keystone are there. Add us there and find out all about our research.
Great. Thanks for joining us, Ryan.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
For more from the Raise Conference, be sure to visit SmallCapPower.